So welcome to day 4 and today's challenge that a data team should not be a dashboard factory. Like we all know, it's not very scalable. If for every request that a business user has, the data team will actually create a new dashboard to answer this particular question, because in the end you end up having hundreds, if not thousands of dashboards, and in the end the business users get lost in all those dashboards. Now, I'm not saying that you should abandon dashboards completely, but that the data team should only be responsible for a small handful of well curated and shared dashboards, and let the end users self-serve and create their own view. And the way that you can do this is by really having a proper semantic layer that allows for the self-serve, and then the right tool to also create those self-serve dashboards. So let me show you how to do this now in Veezoo. So I'm back in this knowledge graph that we've created in the last videos. It was just newly set up. If we look at the data model, that's kind of how it looks like. And to create our first dashboards together, we can just ask simple questions like, hey, how many orders did we have this year? We get the answer and a nice development curve over the year. We can also say something like, show me the revenue for this year and how it developed. And we get also here a nice curve. And I will just add this to my dashboard. I'll add this to my dashboard, and I will add this to my dashboard. Now you can see here my default board that I have. That's kind of how it looks. Let me reorder this a bit. So that's kind of the number of orders curve here on the left. That's kind of the revenue curve. I can drag this, style this how I want it to look. Save, and now when I come in next time, it's actually still being persisted here. Now, a very cool thing about the Veezoo dashboard is that you actually can also have the whole natural language interaction. So I could just now follow up here on this whole dashboard and say, hey, just show me this for New York, and actually broken down by segment. So without any additional configuration needed, we see now the whole dashboard, number of orders and the development per segment, restricted to New York, and here the same for the revenue. This again, I could now save as an old dashboard, but I don't want to, because I think this is already a great basis. And this dashboard, obviously by itself, I could also share this as a data team member with everyone, or just with particular user role, just with user roles like sales or marketing. Hope you learned something, and see you next time.